Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Kia Carnival 11-seater luxury SUV arrives as a bold redefinition of family travel, blending premium comfort, cutting-edge technology, and commanding road presence into one impressive package that feels more like a high-end SUV than a traditional people mover. From the moment you see it, the Carnival makes a strong statement with a wide stance, sculpted body lines, and a confident front fascia that features a modern grille design and sleek LED lighting that gives it a futuristic yet refined look. The elevated ride height and muscular proportions add to its SUV character, making it just as suitable for city cruising as it is for long highway journeys with a full load of passengers. Step inside and the 2026 Carnival immediately showcases its luxury credentials. Designed to comfortably seat up to 11 passengers, the cabin feels airy, spacious, and thoughtfully laid out. High-quality materials are used throughout, with soft touch surfaces, premium upholstery, and refined trim details that elevate the overall experience. The seats are generously cushioned and ergonomically designed, ensuring comfort for every occupant even on long drives. With flexible seating configurations, the Carnival adapts easily to different needs, whether you are carrying a large family, business guests, or a mix of passengers and cargo. The second and third rows are especially impressive, offering ample legroom and headroom that rival many full-size SUVs. Easy access sliding doors make entry and exit smooth, while wide opening angles ensure convenience in tight parking spaces. For families, this means stress-free school runs and road trips. For professionals, it means executive-level transport with space and sophistication. The large windows and panoramic design create an open atmosphere that makes every journey more enjoyable for everyone on board. Technology plays a major role in defining the 2026 Kia Carnival experience. At the center of the dashboard is a large high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates navigation, smartphone connectivity, and entertainment features. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable driving information, while voice commands allow the driver to stay focused on the road. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and rear seat entertainment options ensure that every passenger stays connected and entertained throughout the journey. Luxury in the Carnival is not just about looks and features, but also about how it drives. The refined suspension system is tuned to deliver a smooth and composed ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Whether you are driving through busy urban streets or cruising on the highway, the Carnival feels stable, quiet, and confident. The steering is responsive yet relaxed, making this large vehicle surprisingly easy to handle. Engine performance is designed to balance power and efficiency, delivering strong acceleration when needed while maintaining fuel economy suitable for daily use. Safety is another area where the 2026 Kia Carnival truly shines. It is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems designed to protect both driver and passengers. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking work together to provide peace of mind on every drive. With a strong body structure and multiple airbags throughout the cabin, the Carnival is engineered to meet the demands of modern family and luxury transport safety standards. What truly sets the 2026 Kia Carnival 11-seater luxury SUV apart is its ability to combine practicality with prestige. It offers the space and flexibility of a large people carrier while delivering the comfort, technology, and design expected from a premium SUV. This makes it an ideal choice for large families, corporate transport services, and anyone who values space without sacrificing style. Every detail, from the quiet cabin to the smart storage solutions, is designed to make life easier and more enjoyable. In a market filled with crossovers and SUVs, the 2026 Kia Carnival stands out by offering something genuinely different. It is not just about getting from one place to another, but about enjoying the journey with everyone on board in comfort and confidence. With its bold design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, and impressive safety features, the Carnival proves that an 11-seater vehicle can be both practical and premium. The 2026 Kia Carnival is more than just a family vehicle, it is a statement of modern luxury and smart mobility for those who need space without compromise. We'll see you next video.